connection by toggling airplane mode or restarting your device. Next, update your messaging apps like iMessage or Google Messages and your phone's operating system to the latest versions, as updates often contain bug fixes. Incorrect APN settings are a common cause of MMS failures, so manually configure them in your phone's settings using APN vzdims and mms.vtext.com. Clearing the cache of your messaging app can also resolve glitches. If problems persist, contact Spectrum Mobile support through their app or chatbot for further assistance. For iPhones, try signing out and back into iMessage. For Android, ensure RCS is enabled in your messaging app settings. These steps should resolve most common issues. To better understand and fix texting issues, it's helpful to know the different messaging types. SMS is basic text-only messaging that works over cellular networks. MMS handles images and videos, requiring proper network configuration. iMessage is Apple's database service that works over the internet. RCS is the modern standard offering richer features like read receipts and group chats. Spectrum Mobile has been actively rolling out RCS to improve messaging reliability. If you're still having trouble, check Spectrum's outage map for service disruptions in your area. For older Android phones, ensure RCS support and update the Google Messages app. Manually reset your network settings to default to resolve configuration conflicts. As of September 2025, Spectrum reports high reliability, but network expansions can cause temporary disruptions. Monitor their official app or website for updates.